Welcome back. Today with us in studio is Pastor Leroy Wood and Precious Jade Teo, and they are here with the Nazareth Bible Church. And I know you both have some exciting stuff coming up. So, Precious, let's start with you. You've got an event that's coming up. Tell me about it.
First of all, I want to say hi, Precious Lisa.
Yes, I'm now going to be called Precious Lisa.
Well, my name is Precious Jade only because my sister is Precious Diamond.
I like that.
And Precious Pearl. I have a brother, but he's not precious. Yeah, they always ask, is that your real name? You know?
Right, well, it's exactly what I asked you when you said yes.
Yeah,
so.
we want to thank you for having us today, and we're excited about this love concert we're going to be putting on.
Yeah, I am.
It will be on July the 21st, coming up, 4 to 5 o'clock, and we're having ice cream, cake, and love songs.
And love songs,
Yes.
okay. And you're going to be singing and playing. What instrument is that?
The guitar.
Okay.
And we're doing, first of all, the songs are Love for One Another, a couple of songs, Love Between a Man and a Woman, Love for Our Country, and then Love for Our Creator.
Oh, I like it.
Isn't that cool?
That's very nice.
Yeah, so we'll be doing songs from ABBA, Barbra Streisand, Carpenters, Doris Day, Connie Francis, Dionne Warwick, original songs, Peggy Lee.
Now you're saying we, so it's not just you.
Well, I might have a couple of my friends who are tap dancers at my dance.
Dancers, yeah.
And they're like 78 years old. And
Nice.
yeah, so
That's
they love to dance, and so
Okay.
sometimes I include them in my show.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
Now, do you perform everywhere? Lots of different places?
Yes, I am on YouTube.
Okay.
I'm in the movies.
All right.
I do quite a few assisted living, like about 12 or 14 of those,
Okay.
and women's clubs and wherever they
Okay.
need the kind of music that I do.
Nice. Sounds like you've been performing a while.
Yes, a long time since I left school.
Wow. All around the country, or?
Yeah, when I was 18 years old, they had a talent contest in my country. I'm from Singapore.
Okay.
So it's kind of equivalent to America's Got Talent.
All right.
So I took part in the contest and I won it.
Good for you.
And the winner, if he or she was good enough, would sign a recording contract with Capitol Records.
No kidding.
So I became a Capitol Records
No
recording
kidding.
artist.
Wow. So we
After the
we can
contest.
find you online.
Yeah.
Yes,
No doubt. I mean, I know you
yes,
said YouTube, but I bet there's other places too.
website.
Nice.
Yeah, and the kind of shows that I do, it's called Classic and Unforgettable.
Okay.
They're all the songs that we remember, songs that make us happy, songs that nobody sings to us anymore.
Right now. Isn't that the truth?
Yeah, so we want to keep that alive.
That's
and
nice.
So I love blessing people. I love to see them happy and smiling and having a good time.
Excellent. Well, I think this kind of fits right in.
It does.
With what you guys are promoting most of the time, right?
It does.
Yes.
It does fits right in. And I like the way she spreads love, and this show is all about love. Nazareth Bible Church primarily is all about love. That's the reason why we started it, because we felt that there was a need for a love for people, and so she fits right in with our schedule. She mentioned the show is going to be an hour. We're going to start at 4. There'll be music for an hour, but
Right.
then after that there will be a form of fellowship, and so we're going to have a cake, ice cream,
Right.
and I'm planning on serving some grape juice.
Grape juice.
Yeah, with some champagne glasses to give it that little
I think that'll feel
effervescent
nice.
flow. You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
And call it champagne and a la something, something Frenchy and
Perfect.
and loving and
I like it.
Beautiful.
I like it. All right. And then let's talk about Nazareth Bible Church as a whole. Like, give me just a quick overview of
Well,
what you're all
Nazareth
about.
Bible Church, we just celebrated our first year anniversary, which was a tremendous success. And she came on and she did a tremendous job. And that's where she got the idea, hey, Leroy, Pastor, let's do a love concert. What kind of love concert? And so as a result of that, that's why we are here today, and we are so excited about it. Nazareth Bible Church, our vision is to display the love of Jesus in the way we live, the way we love, and the way that we treat others. And it's very, very simple. We are a church where people can come, you know, come, be welcome in,
Right.
and as they navigate their way through life. So we are very big on love.
All right. I like that.
important.
I like that.
Very,
You guys
very,
have
very-
your services are Sundays at 4.
Sundays at 4 o'clock.
Okay.
Clubhouse 1.
Okay.
In the art room presently, but we're hoping that we get a different venue or a bigger venue. But right now, that's available
Oh,
to
you're
us.
outgrowing it.
So we make the best of it. Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah,
Well, it
yeah.
makes for more love being close, right?
Yes. And my wife, the First Lady of Nazareth, she does a wonderful job. She has a full-time job, but she also chips in as far as helping us out and
Great.
being a great part of Nazareth Bible Church. As a matter of fact, without her, I don't think that there would have been a Nazareth Bible Church at that level,
Wow.
the level that it is now. And we see even better things as the years progress. But
Nice. But we've got you on
Yes.
July 21st.
July
Yes.
So
21st.
how exciting. Good luck. I'm sure you'll do great. And we're here to help you promote that. So
Yeah, we just hope a lot of people come and we're stressed. We need to share more love. So
Okay.
let's all get together and do it.
yeah, we've got a good response so far. We've got a
Good.
response. We've
Yeah.
got people from different areas that are coming, as well as residents from Laguna Woods. So
Okay.
we're very excited, and we plan that if this is a successful one, we're going to have more in the
I like it.
in the future.
Also, one thing I was really glad that when I first moved to California in 2013, and I lived here in the village, and there was a play called Love, Sex, and Laguna Woods, and I was in that play, and it was a very successful play, and 3,000 out of the 18,000 people came, and that was 5 years ago. So,
Right.
so I'm Cupid's girlfriend in that play. So if you're looking for
if you
me,
know,
come to the
you
show.
need to
Right?
see
I
the
want
show.
to see everybody again.
Oh, that's
Cute
great.
pet.
All right, I know it's cute, pet. All right, well, thank you so much. It was
Thank
nice to
you.
have you both on, and we'll see you next time.
God bless
Well,
you.
thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank
And
you.
remember, July 21st is the concert where you can check out Precious Jade and see all the fun things that are going on at the Nazareth Bible Church. We'll be right back.